In the given question, there is an electron gun which is emitting electron having kinetic energy K is equal to 2 kilo electron volt, and these electrons are emitted in positive x direction. The electrons are required to hit the point S, which is at a distance 0.1 meter from G, making an angle 60 degree with the x-axis. Now, a uniform magnetic field B is switched on in the direction of GS, and we need to find the minimum value of B such that electron hits the point S. As we can see, there are two components of velocity, one perpendicular to magnetic field, that is V sin 60, and another parallel to magnetic field, V cos 60. Because of these two components of velocity, the charged particle moves in helical path. तो पार्टिकल का पाथ एक हेलिक्स होगा और ये पार्टिकल हेलिकल पाथ में मूव करेगा, जिसका पिच मान ले p है. Pitch is the distance travelled by the particle in one time period. तो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड में चार्ज पार्टिकल के मूवमेंट का जो टाइम पीरियड है t, that is equal to 2 pi m by qb. So we have pitch to be equal to t into v cos 60, or that is equal to 2 pi m by qb into v cos 60. अगर पार्टिकल को S पॉइंट पर हिट करना है तो G से S पॉइंट की डिस्टेंस जो है, let that is equal to n number of pitch. So n into p is equal to GS. If I put the value of p, n into 2 pi m by qb into v cos 60 is equal to GS. Or here from we can write b to be equal to 2 pi mv cos 60 by q into gs into n. For minimum value of b, n has to be minimum. So the minimum value of n is 1 and minimum value of b is equal to 2 pi mv cos 60 by q into gs. In the question, we can find the value of v. How we could find it out? K is equal to half mv square, or v to be equal to under root 2k by m. So if I put the value of v in the given equation, तो b की minimum value 2 pi m by q into gs under root 2k by m into cos 60. क्वेश्चन में m, q, gs, k ये सारी वैल्यूज गिवन है. इन वैल्यूज को अगर हम पुट कर दें तो we get the minimum value of b to be equal to 15 pi into 10 to the power minus 4 Tesla. So this is the minimum value of b needed such that the electron can strike at the point S.